In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pixelate an image in Canva. If you've never used Canva before, it's an amazing online tool that lets you create anything from social media posts to presentations with ease. Pixelating an image can be super useful if you want to add a creative effect, give your design a modern look, or even blur out parts of a photo for privacy. Let's dive in and make this process super simple. First, open your design project in Canva where you have the image you want to pixelate. Once you're in your project, find the image you want to edit and click on it. Selecting the image is really important because it unlocks all the editing options Canva has for that specific image. With your image selected, look at the top menu for the edit button. Click on it and you'll see a variety of tools for enhancing your photo. From adjusting brightness and contrast to adding filters, Canva gives you plenty of ways to make your image stand out. The tool we're looking for is called Pixelify. Click on Pixelify and you'll notice your image immediately starts to change with the pixelation effect. Take a moment to look at the effect. Sometimes it might look too strong and sometimes it might be too subtle. That's totally fine. Canva makes it really easy to adjust the intensity of the pixelation. Just use the slider or settings in the Pixelify tool until it looks exactly how you want. You can experiment with a really heavy pixelation for privacy or a lighter one for a cool artistic style. Here's a tip. If you only want to pixelate part of your image, you can use Canva's crop or frame tools first to isolate the section you want to blur. Then apply Pixelify just to that section. This gives you a lot of creative control and can really make your designs pop. Another idea is to combine pixelation with other effects, like brightness adjustments or color filters. This can make your pixelated images look like modern digital art or even retro video game graphics. Don't be afraid to play around. It's a great way to make your designs unique. Once you're happy with how the pixelation looks, the final step is to click Replace. This will apply the effect permanently to your image within the project. From there, you can use your pixelated image anywhere, on social media, in a presentation, on a flyer, or any other creative project you're working on. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few simple steps, you've added a fun and useful effect to your image using Canva. Remember, the more you experiment, the better you'll get at knowing what looks best. Try different images, different levels of pixelation, and even different placements. It's all part of the creative process. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you feel confident trying out pixelation in your own Canva projects. Keep practicing, have fun with your designs, and I'll see you in the next video.